Creating a landing page in GoHighLevel is simple and allows you to capture leads, promote products, or showcase services. Here's how to create one. Log into GoHighLevel. Access your GoHighLevel account and navigate to the Site section in the left-hand menu. Create a new landing page. Click on Landing Pages and then Create New to start building a fresh landing page. Choose a template. GoHighLevel offers a variety of pre-designed templates. Select one that aligns with your goals or start with a blank template. Customize the page. Use the drag and drop editor to customize your landing page. Add sections, rows, and elements like text, images, buttons, forms, and videos by dragging them onto the page. Click on individual elements to edit their content, such as text, images, and colors. Set page settings. Go to the Settings tab to configure SEO settings, set up your domain or subdomain, and manage tracking scripts like Google Analytics. Preview and save. Click Preview to see how the page looks. Make any necessary adjustments before saving. Publish. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Publish to make the landing page live.